Hello! Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. My name is Britt, and today we're going to be unboxing an order that I made from Sweetie Nail Supply. I ordered quite a few individual items here. I have some items from Yogo, Blanc Blanc, Divock, Nail Bio, and the Favori. So to start out, I'm going to be unboxing the 4 polishes that I got from Divock. Absolutely love Divock's packaging. It is so luxurious. So I got the base coat and 3 colors from the Marble Fit collection. This is the base coat. It is just a clear base coat, of course. It is on the runnier side, so when you go in and you apply the gels that are colored, they bloom out and swirl together really beautifully to create gorgeous, effortless marble effects. So I got this color, Miok, which is the black. I also got white, which is cloud, and I got sand, which is a warm brown. The brushes on the colored polishes are so skinny and thin. They're perfect for creating really fine line details, or you can kind of apply more pressure and fan out the brush a bit so you can get a thicker line. You can also control how much gel is on the brush really well by just swirling the brush in the neck of the bottle like I did there. But these are perfect for marbling. You'll see on the swatches that I made here, they applied effortlessly. I just did them over a clear just so you could see, but on a white background you would see how these would swirl together and marble over top of a white. The next thing that I got in this order were 2 alcohol inks from the Favori. I got their Midnight Silver, which is a gorgeous true silver, very reflective. And I also got a gold from them, which is more of a muted gold called Midnight Gold. Now, I was really sad when these arrived. Actually, both bottles were completely ruined. They had cracked and spilled, and the ink had eaten away at the bottles. It was all through the boxes. But I reached out to Sweetie and they replaced them immediately. I sent them pictures and they said they were so sorry that happened, and they sent them out to me within the same day, and I had them within a week. So A+++ on customer service for Sweetie Nail Supply. As you can see, the silver is super reflective, almost like a mirror finish. The Midnight Gold is a little more textured. I don't know if that was just from me not mixing the bottles up all the way, but anyway. What I picked up next were some of the individual nudie gels from Nail Bio, their Doi collection. I got this Nudie White, which is just a beautiful milky white. Their colors are very milky, syrupy, almost translucent, and they're perfect base colors for nails. And you'll see I swatched these ahead of time, and I put the little swatchers on the top of the bottle, so I'm kind of showing you those and the bottles as I'm showing you the colors inside the bottles as well. It's such a beautiful peachy pink. I think these next 2 are my favorite. Oh, I forgot. I showed you these side by side. So the nudie beige, or the nude oat, is more of a warm color, and then the nudie beige is more on the cooler side. These 2 pinks are my favorite. This is such a beautiful, blushy pink. It's like bunny nose pink, if you know what I'm talking about. And then this next one, Dry Rose, is again a perfect dusty rose color. It's not super vibrant, but it does have a little bit of a punch to it. And then I also picked up this violet. Yes, it's the Nudie Violet. I thought it was a beautiful, soft lavender color, violet color, to use as a base color. What an interesting color to be included in a base set. And here are all of the colors together. I love them. I cannot wait to use them for base coats, for any of the press-on sets that I do. And then they also have a new HEMA-free gel top coat from Nail Bio, I should say. And this is a thinner consistency of liquid. I was kind of surprised. I'm used to a thicker one. It has a nice soft square brush, which I actually really enjoy. But this liquid is much thinner than you're used to. So if you want a thinner top coat that's not going to add a lot of bulk, that one may be really nice to try. I also got this Yogo, it's an Embo powder. So essentially you would add this to any of your gels and it will give them a little more viscosity so you can do some more 3D textures on your nails. It's a very fine clear powder, so I'll be curious to give this a try. I also picked up 2 of these non-magnetic individual stands from Blanc Blanc to use with magnetic polishes. And then I also got this chrome powder from Blanc Blanc. It is their W25 chrome. I've never tried any of their chrome, so I at least wanted to pick one up. This one seems to have a strong like blue purple flip to it. If you can see as I'm applying it here on my black glove, you can see how it has a strong purple, I want to say purple blue flip to it. So I think this will be really pretty to apply over some pastel-y colors for the spring, and even in the summer it could be really nice to play around with. So that is everything that I picked up in this haul. I can't wait to play with it. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see me play with first, and I will give that a go in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for future videos. Bye guys!